Hi everyone, my name is Bocheng and today I'll be sharing with you my newest JavaScript game, Zombie Straight Word. First, I'll be introducing to you my code. Basically, I make use of class sprite kind for all the sprites, and I use the assets to draw the sprites such as the zombies, the big zombie, the cast, and the player. For the normal minion zombie and the cast, I use assets, while for the big zombie, I make use of numbers and words. Each of the words and numbers is a different meaning, different color, and different shape. I named the minion zombies Sprite 1, Sprite 2, Sprite 3, Sprite 4, all the way to Sprite 6, while I just keep the boss zombies name as SpriteKind.boss. I also did a code on overlap, meaning once the zombie touch the player, then you will minus 1 health. Now I'll be sharing with you my gameplay. You can press D to move forward, A to move behind, S to move down, and W to move up. There are two cars which you can select, but both serve the same function. When you get into a car, you can go faster, but you deal lesser damage. So I'm just going to try without cars. And you need to press A on the keyboard to shoot the bullets. One thing is that all the zombies will follow you. Like this. And this is the boss zombies. Your goal is not to get hit by its red color and yellow color fists. If you get hit, then you immediately go down to 0 health and you lose. After killing all the zombies at the end, there will be something like a portal, supernova portal, and once you touch it, no matter anywhere, then there will be an endgame message saying congratulations, you have killed all the zombies. And if you press A one more time, this sign will come out. And that's it for my game. Thank you for looking at this video and I hope you will enjoy it.